Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Macbook to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, so we got some deals here. It says 2 for $99. Those are the cheap ones. The Craftsman cheaper tools there. You got this one on clearance. It's a nice sectional patio. $460 down from $768. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys watch out for these. Sometimes you guys gonna get some killer deals. $138 down to $34. And you got this one $698 down to $598. This is a curved pergola. It's a really nice pergola for the patio. So lots of good deals on these. Make sure you guys keep an eye out. Same thing with the appliances. Killer deals on these appliances. Some of them are really good, brand new condition. Some of them are beat up. On these that are beat up, you might as well just go to your manager. If it's a rental property, if you have a rental property and you see something that's beat up, you know, go and offer them, because obviously nobody's going to take it if it's dented and you can see it, obviously. So might as well just put an offer on it and, you know, $200, $100 and take it and put it on your rental property. You got $424 down from $849. This was not too bad. So you guys do see it's probably in just brand new condition. This one has to have a really small dent. I believe this was a display. It's a really nice fridge for $1,349. Obviously, you can, you know, get work something out with the manager. And then this one's pretty good too. This one's a really nice stove. $5.99 from $11. It says replace front glass and it's dented on the front. This is like, see, this is one of the items you guys could get yourself a nice discount on. Same thing with this one. This one's older. It's $315. That's pretty cheap. That's actually a great one for a rental property. And then you got this wine rack cooler. You know, obviously for your beers, your wine, whatever. $509 on clearance. And then you got this fridge. This one's really nice. It says used return. It looks brand new. It's half price basically. Same thing with this one, half price. This one does have a dent on the back door, on the left door. That was very noticeable. Like something like this, you could probably just ask your manager, see if the discount gives you a nice big discount on that, because it's obviously it's ugly and you can see it. So this one was $3.99 down from $7.99. And then you got a really nice fridge here. Same thing. It's returned used, so it's half price. That's a good deal on that one. And then you got a dryer here, half price. This thing looks brand new. Still has the plastics in it. Might just be just a display or something. And then you got a combo here, a washer and dryer combo, $7.49. It's a nice deal on this little combo. And then you got this nice LG scratched on top. As you guys do see, it does have some scratches on top. But other than that, pretty good. Alright, you got some reciprocating saw blades here, $14.48. You got some spade bits here, $34.98. These are the nail strike, the better ones. But you can, I would definitely scan the item. Make sure you guys, can get a better item at your store. Maybe obviously you can, let the associate have that item number and scan it. See if it's a lower price at your store. And you got the buy more, save more from Craftsman. So you spend $100. You spend up to $200. You get. Or $199, you get $20 off. You spend $299, you get $50 off. You spend $300 or more, you get $100 off. Obviously, the $300 is going to get you the better deal. And I believe you can return. You can hack this, so you can return the ones that you don't need and keep your tool at a discounted price. That's a nice little set for $149. And this thing expires 10/30/22. Alright, so you got some nice scissors here. I ended up purchasing these for the kitchen, for the house. These are really nice scissors, $9.98 down from $14.98. Really solid. They feel pretty good quality. Got a wheel chock here, 2-pack, 100 feet wheel chock. Does have with the, you got $45.98 for the 3/8 ratchet. This is like an extended. Like an extension ratchet. It is a flex head, so you guys do see. So it's pretty nice. And then you got a 3-piece utility knife set, kind of like a fastback style. or generic version. You got $11.97 down from $14.98. Then you got a pry bar and a hammer. It's a really nice hammer. $14.98 down from $19.98. So it's a 20-ounce hammer. And then you got this drill. So you guys did see it. The other one was $50 more, and you could get the impact driver. This one's $99 by itself. It is the RP. The other ones were the RP too. And check this out. These are on clearance. I've seen these at other stores cheaper than this. So keep an eye out at your store. If you see, you know, obviously this one does come with the stand, the wheels. It's a really nice table saw. It is very similar to the DeWalt. You guys do see the DeWalt is $649. This does come with, I believe, with the racket pinion fence system. This was down to $379 at this store. But like I said, I'd seen them lower before with at other stores. So make sure you guys, you know, keep an eye out. You got the DeWalt 12-inch 15-amp dual bevel compact miter saw. Get yourself a free aluminum stand. That is the miter saw, I believe. It's not a slider. It's just a double bevel. And this deal runs on to $1031.22. So $349 down from $399. It is a 12-inch. You got the heavy-duty inspection system from General. $96.98. And you got a lot of bits here, auger bits. I did end up picking a few of these for the channel. So not this time, but last time I saw them, they were actually cheaper at another store, I believe. But just keep an eye out for these. Sometimes you get some crazy prices on those. Alright, you got the Jigsaw here. This section is quartered, by the way. So $119 down from $129. So Orbit Jigsaw, DeWalt 5.5 amps. Then you got a Craftsman amp or Jigsaw, $79 down from $89. 6 amp Jigsaw, Craftsman. And then you got a 5 amp Jigsaw for $59 down from $69. So it's a you know, the amp is the power basically, if you don't know. You got the sheet quarter sheet palm sander, $53 down from $63. That's a nice little sander. And then you got the 5-inch random orbit sander, $74. Alright, this is a nice little set. It's a spider 4-piece stinger, like an auger bit set. That's pretty nice. Check this out. This is a killer deal if you're on this platform. This is an 8 amp hour battery down to $59.57 from $149. Killer deal on that one, guys. If you guys are on this platform, make sure you guys look out for that. $89 down. This is a 6 amp hour Craftsman battery. So you guys do see the difference. The other one's less than this. And it's a lot more amp hours. Alright, so you got this deal. This is a great deal. It's a 4-tool combo kit. $239 down from $299. I still think it's a great deal. These are pro level tools, especially these brushless drills and all that. This is a brushless drill driver for $99 down from $149. I'd rather tell you the truth, I'd rather buy Metabo instead of Craftsman. I would definitely go for Metabo instead of Craftsman. Metabo's really good quality, pro level quality for a professional basically. Craftsman, I would say, I mean, you're pushing it with the RP. I know brushless RP. But I would say Metabo professional. Alright, so you got some Bosch deals here. You got a Freak Impact driver kit. 2 amp hour battery, $99. You guys don't know what a Freak is. It does have the anvil for a socket or an impact driver. Whatever you want to do. And then you got the impact wrench that we saw earlier. That when I was talking, $75. Killer deal on that one. You got a 2 amp hour battery, $59. Then you got the buy more, I believe buy one get one free. You buy the 4-tool combo kit from Flex, you get a free power tool kit. So yes, you guys, you do get a free power tool kit with battery charger and a bag. Those are the numbers right there if you want to play around with them. Make sure you guys write them down and play around, you know, with the app or with the website. It's a nice little set here for $9.98 down from $14.98. It's a 30-piece tough grip. Then you got this nice reciprocating saw from Bosch down to $9.98 from $15.98. pretty good deal down. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make rental review videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one.